Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get Lana Doll Dress for free in Dress and Impress game of Roblox new summer update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Finally, the summer update for 2026 has been released in Dress and Impress, and there is a new item that you can get for free. You can use a code to claim this item. So just go to the code menu and enter the DTI code to claim the free reward. And the code is Lana Doll Dress, like this. And you're going to click on redeem, and you will get this cute Lana Doll dress. And if you want to wear it, just go to this room. Okay, and you're going to go to the code menu and simply click on this dress. Okay, that's so cute. Wait, let me unequip this item. Okay, this is how the Lana Doll dress looks like. Okay guys, and that's how you can get Lana Doll dress for free in Dress and Impress Summer Update 2026. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.